Changed my hairstyle. Do you guys like it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this origami bird. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we will need just a square origami paper. So first we will fold it in half. Then we will make a fold right here. Now we will flip the paper and take this part. Now we will fold it right here. Take these two ends, and now we will fold them like this. And our bird is almost done. Now we will just make the head. Like this. And our bird is done. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!